Have you ever dreamed of being surrounded by glowing lanterns drifting into the night sky? Or watching massive ice castles shimmer under neon lights? What about racing dragon boats to the beat of thundering drums, or dancing joyfully as water rains down from every direction? Welcome to China, where festivals aren't just holidays. They're once-in-a-lifetime experiences. In this video, we're diving into 5 unforgettable Chinese festivals every traveler should witness at least once. Whether you're planning your next trip or just curious about Chinese culture, this is the cultural adventure you've been waiting for. Let's jump right in. Number 5, Chinese New Year. This is the big one. Chinese New Year is the most important celebration across the country. Streets are filled with red decorations, fireworks light up the sky, and families gather for reunion dinners. You'll see people cleaning their homes to sweep away bad luck, decorating windows and giving out red envelopes filled with money to spread prosperity. It lasts 15 days and ends with the Lantern Festival. If you're in China during this time, expect massive parades, dragon dances, red envelopes, and non-stop excitement. It's not just a festival, it's a national reset button filled with joy and tradition. Can you imagine a city where nearly everything shuts down for a week just to celebrate love, luck, and family? That's the power of the Chinese New Year. Number 4, Lantern Festival. Just when you think the party's over, the Lantern Festival arrives, 15 days after Chinese New Year. And it's like stepping into a dream. Picture this, thousands of glowing lanterns floating into the sky or lighting up entire parks in dazzling displays. Some are tiny and round, while others are enormous, shaped like dragons, flowers, or famous characters. People gather to solve riddles written on lanterns, a fun tradition that's part game, part brain teaser. And of course, there's food, especially sweets, and chewy rice balls filled with black sesame or peanut paste. They're soft, sticky, and satisfying. It's the final spark of the spring festival season, and it's absolutely enchanting. Number 3, Dragon Boat Festival. Next up is the Dragon Boat Festival, celebrated every June, a thrilling blend of speed, rhythm, and fierce tradition. Picture long, narrow boats shaped like dragons, brightly painted and slicing through rivers as teams of rowers paddle in perfect sync to the beat of pounding drums. But this festival is more than just a race. It honors Qu Yuan, a patriotic poet who tragically drowned himself centuries ago in protest. To protect his body from fish, locals threw rice into the river, which over time became the delicious zongzi, sticky rice dumplings wrapped in bamboo leaves, either sweet or savory depending on the region. So whether you're cheering at the races or savoring your first zongzi, you're truly stepping into a living piece of Chinese history. If you're enjoying this journey so far, why not hit that like button? It really helps us reach more travel lovers like you. Now let's keep going, because things are about to get icy and wild. Number 2, Harbin Ice and Snow Festival. Now let's head way up north, to Harbin in China's frozen northeast, where winter becomes pure magic. From January to February, Harbin transforms into a glowing city of ice. The Harbin Ice and Snow Festival features life-size sculptures, castles, palaces, and mythical creatures, all carved from massive ice blocks and lit with colorful lights. You'll walk through glowing ice tunnels, slide down ice ramps, and even explore an ice hotel if you're feeling bold. At night, the whole place lights up like a fairy tale. It's cold, yes, but it's also one of the most surreal and breathtaking festivals you'll ever experience. Number 1, Water Splashing Festival. Finally, let's end with a splash, literally. The Water Splashing Festival, held in April, is one of the most joyful and wild celebrations in China. It takes place mainly in Yunnan province among the Dai people. Splash water on everyone you see to cleanse away the old year and bless them with good luck. But it's more than just water fights. There are elephant parades, traditional dances, floating lanterns on rivers, and massive community feasts. It's colorful, wet, and unforgettable. If someone dumped a whole bucket of water on you in the middle of a festival, would you laugh or run? What will you do? And there you have it, 5 incredible Chinese festivals that are so much more than just tradition. Which one would you love to experience in person? Drop your favorite in the comments. We're reading them all. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more unforgettable journeys through the heart of China.